Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Console Onyekwere. Right now, we are diving into a new crypto airdrop. And if you must know the name is CyberFinance. Okay, so this crypto airdrop is not just an ordinary crypto airdrop. It is a very, very sophisticated one and a very promising one. Okay. So just as I told you earlier, the name is Cyber Finance. And what do you do on Cyber Finance? You mine. What do you mine? The points that you mine here is called eggs. So you are to mine every egg. Okay? You are to mine eggs. And then you don't tap anything on this airdrop. All you just have to do is to get started by registering, and of which I've already dropped the link. If you want to register, the link is already on the description section. So all you just have to do, just go to that description section and register. After registering, you come right down to this place, just as you know we used to do it normally. Come over to the earn section. So if you get to the end section, make sure you complete every task that you see there. Every task. Don't leave any stone unturned. So see this first one. It has 13 tasks. See this second one. It has 5. See another one here. These other ones are expired. So you just leave them. So you click on it. So make sure you do all of them. If possible, all of them. Okay, sorry. So make sure you are going to do everything that you see there. Then if you notice right now, I want you to check this out. Just check out what we are making right here. Sorry, check out this hammer. For this hammer to crack this egg, it will take up to 1 hour 42 minutes. It was actually 2 hours. Okay, it was actually 2 hours, but you can always come to the boost to upgrade. So let's just go to the boost. So if we get to the boost now, let me click on egg and then purchase this boost. Let's click on purchase. All right. So as I've purchased this now, I've upgraded. So you can see here, just look at what I'm trying to show you here. Now it is now 3 hours. Sorry, it's now 3 hours. So what does this thing do now? This thing, it saves or it cuddles time for you, so that you will not be you won't be worrying yourself every time to come back to this place to claim what you are supposed to claim the points. So if you keep upgrading it now, keep upgrading, you might even upgrade up to 10 hours. It's going to save you time. You are not going to be always coming here to claim, always coming here to claim. And then on the aspect of the hammer, you can also upgrade your hammer. You can also upgrade your hammer. If you upgrade your hammer now, it's going to make your hammer stronger. And then it's also going to give you more points. You understand? More points. If you check now from the hammer side, you are going to see that we get 50 coins per hour. 50 coins per hour. You can be making more. You can be making more. In fact, the truth about almost all these airdrops is just very simple. And what is the secret there? The secret is don't save points. Don't stack points. Make sure you invest. It's just the same thing as the normal world that we know. If you keep saving up your money will keep depreciating. But if you keep investing, you are going to lose it at the first instance. That's sure. That's certain. But after losing it, you are still going to gain it. Okay? So let's come back to the boost. Once you come back to the boost now, look at your hammer. Then you click on the hammer and then purchase. Now let's go back. You are going to see. So did you notice something now? We are now having 60 coins per hour instead of 50. You are now having 60 per hour. Just come right over here, keep upgrading. Keep upgrading it because it's going to be useful. It's very, very going to be useful. Don't think you are wasting your coins. Keep upgrading it. Keep upgrading it. In fact, if possible, I would have used everything to upgrade it right here because I know I'm going to still benefit from it at the later on. Okay, so you can see right over here, I've upgraded it to the extent of getting 180 coins per hour. You don't need to tap anything, just as I told you. You see, as this strong hammer now is hitting this egg, later on now this egg will crack. So once this egg cracks and then is due for this egg to claim, when it was going to be claimed is after 9 hours. So once it is after 9 hours, I can come and claim it. But per hour for now, per hour, the thing will be adding up 180 coins per hour. Then 180 per hour times 9 hours. That's what I'm going to claim after 9 hours from now. So don't save your coins. That's just the truth. If you just want to know one secret about all these airdrops, stop saving your coins. So that is it about this video. If you need more updates from us, you just have to follow us on our social handles, Telegram and WhatsApp, via the links on the description section of this video. And I also believe you gained value from this video, so you are owing our channel a like. It's very, very important. Make sure you give our channel a like so that YouTube is also going to promote this video so that it can reach to more people who are interested, just as you are interested to watch this video. Make sure you give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed, you can go ahead, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell notification so that anytime we drop more useful updates, like very, very useful updates as this, because many people are taking this for granted, but they'll later know that this is very serious. Make sure you turn on the notification. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm still going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you and stay blessed.